Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, Appa was told by my seafood seller that she actually used to steam stingray. Actually, this thought never came across my mind before because usually stingray we will try to use some stronger flavor to cook it. Yeah, so yeah. But anyway, I tried another piece the other day. It was super fresh, so I decided to take her advice that I'm going to steam it today using Teochew steam. Yeah, so this is a very thick, very huge stingray, actually cutlet. So I actually make few slits on the fish body and also a few pieces of ginger and some fine salt. So after this, I'll send this to the steamer, and I'm going to make some Teochew steam here. So we have some spring onion. This is salted sour plum, chili padi, pickle veggie. This is this is ginger slices and some garlic. Right, preheat your steamer. Then we can put the fish in the middle and steam it for approximately 11-12 minutes. Yeah. So quickly we are going to make the steamed fish sauce. First of all, let's give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger, garlic, saute for a while before we continue. Get the fragrance out, yeah? This is after about 30-40 seconds. Next thing, I'm going to put in the pickled veggie. Always good to have the pickled veggie have some contact with the hot oil so that it will remove any earthiness, should there be any. Next thing, give it some hot water. Then we can put in the chili, spring onion and the rest, yeah? And the sour plum. I'm going to give it some premium fish sauce. Some fine salt. Some fine sugar. Almost done. So I'm going to give it some fried garlic as well. Off the fire. Basically, our steamed fish sauce is ready to be used. Right, this is after about 11 minutes plus. Let's, whoa. Wow. There's a lot of fish, steamed fish water there. That is the source of fishiness. I'm going to remove all the fishy water, yeah? Right, I have removed the fishy water. Then let's remove the ginger as well. Next thing, we will do banjil the fish with our sauce, yeah? Teochew steam sauce. Right, that's how simple it is to make a Teochew steam stingray fish today. My first time doing it. I'm sure it's a very good one. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.